Have you ever seen a bright star in the morning sky? That's probably Venus, our closest planetary neighbor. Venus is called the morning star because it appears in the east before sunrise. It's also called the evening star when it graces our western sky at dusk. Venus is the brightest object in our night sky after the sun and the moon. Its brilliance has captivated humans for centuries, inspiring myths and legends across cultures. But this beautiful sight hides a harsh truth. Venus is shrouded in a thick atmosphere, about 100 times denser than Earth's. This atmosphere is composed mainly of carbon dioxide, a greenhouse gas. This creates a runaway greenhouse effect, trapping heat from the sun and raising the surface temperature to a scorching 900 degrees Fahrenheit or 475 degrees Celsius. That's hot enough to melt lead. Adding to the inhospitable environment, Venus experiences sulfuric acid rain. These dense clouds of sulfuric acid reflect sunlight, giving Venus its high albedo and contributing to its extreme brightness. However, the rain never reaches the surface. It evaporates in the intense heat before it can touch the ground. Imagine a world with no breathable air, extreme heat, and clouds of acid rain. That's Venus, a stark reminder of the delicate balance that makes life on Earth possible. Despite its harsh environment, Venus has fascinated scientists for decades. Its surface, hidden beneath the thick clouds, remained a mystery for a long time. Early observations could only speculate about what lay beneath. With the advent of radar technology and space exploration, we've been able to peer through the clouds and map the Venusian surface. We've discovered a world dominated by volcanoes and vast plains of volcanic rock. Giant mountains, rift valleys, and craters paint a picture of a planet shaped by intense geological activity. The surface of Venus tells a story of a tumultuous past. It's a reminder that our solar system is a dynamic place, where planets evolve and change over billions of years. Section 4. Twin World. Interestingly, Venus is often called Earth's twin. This is because Venus and Earth are similar in size, mass, and composition. They are both rocky planets formed from similar materials in the early solar system. However, the similarities end there. Venus rotates on its axis in the opposite direction to Earth, and its rotation is extremely slow. A day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus. This slow rotation, combined with the lack of a substantial magnetic field, contributes to the planet's extreme climate. While Venus serves as a cautionary tale of a runaway greenhouse effect, its study also helps us understand the delicate balance that makes Earth habitable. Section 5. Missions to Venus. Our quest to understand Venus has led to numerous space missions. The Soviet Union's Venera program, starting in the 1960s, successfully landed probes on Venus, sending back the first images from the surface. NASA's Magellan mission in the 1990s used radar to map the planet's surface in detail, revealing its volcanic features. These missions provided valuable data about Venus's atmosphere, surface, and magnetic field. Each mission has added to our understanding of this enigmatic world, unraveling its secrets piece by piece. Future missions to Venus are planned with the goal of studying the planet's atmosphere and geology in even greater detail. These missions will continue to shed light on Venus's evolution and its implications for understanding exoplanets beyond our solar system. Section 6. Venus in mythology. Venus's brilliance in the sky has captured the human imagination for centuries. In Roman mythology, Venus was the goddess of love, beauty, and desire. The ancient Greeks called her Aphrodite. Her presence in the sky was associated with good fortune, and her movements were carefully tracked by astrologers. Across cultures, Venus has played a significant role in mythology and religion. Her appearances in the morning and evening sky inspired stories and rituals, connecting her to the cycles of nature and the human experience. Even today, as we explore Venus with scientific instruments, we can appreciate the awe and wonder it inspired in our ancestors. Venus, the morning star, continues to beckon us, inviting us to uncover its mysteries and learn from its story.